Good morning, children. This is Pavani, and for today, ninth class, I would like to take true height lesson. That is second lesson. Today, I would like to take for ninth standard second lesson. That is true height. Okay, children. So just look into your book. This story talks about the feelings of an athlete as he pursue means to continue his dream. Read about a nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life as he prepares to take the ultimate test of his sports career. It is an awe-inspiring achievement that will leave you breathless. Okay, so this is the story about whom, Nana? Michael Stone. Okay, this is the story of Michael Stone about his sports career, about his what? Sports career. So now his palms were sweating. His palms were sweating. His in the sense, his refers to whom here? His refers to Michael Stone. Okay, his refers to what? Michael Stone. His palms were sweating. He needed a towel to to dry his grip. So he needed a towel to dry his grip. Okay, as he was sweating. A glass of ice water quenched his thirst but hardly cooled his intensity. The astroturf he sat on was as hot as the competition he faced today at the National Junior Olympics. The pole was set at 17 feet. That was 3 inches higher than his personal best. Michael Stone confronted the most challenging day of his pole vaulting career. The stands were still filled with about 20,000 people, even though the final race had ended an hour earlier. Now, see, children, his palms were sweating. Okay, and the astroturf he sat on was as hot. Astroturf means what? What is the meaning of astroturf? A type of artificial grass surface used especially for sports grounds. Okay, a type of artificial grass used especially for sports ground. Then what is the meaning of pole vault? A sport in which you use a long pole to swing over a high barrier. Okay, it is a what kind of sport ma? Pole vault means what? A sport in which you use a long pole. You catch the long pole to swing over a high barrier, to jump from one distance to like one place to another place. You use a pole. Okay, so now here you can see in the picture, right? You can see in the picture. See, he started here by carrying the pole, the second position and the third position and fourth, like this up to 10 positions. In this way, they will carry the pole and they try to jump. Okay. Now here, the pole was set at 17 feet. The pole was set at how many feet? 17 feet. That was 3 inches higher than his personal best. Michael Stone confronted the most challenging. So, he confronted means he faced. What is the meaning of confronted? He faced the most challenging day of his pole vaulting career. Okay. So, he has taken it like a challenge for his career. What career? Pole vaulting career. The stands means what? Have you seen in the television, like if the people when they were playing the cricket, okay, all the people, the audience will sit, no, the people, the crowd, where they will sit, they will sit in the stands means what? Where the place is provided for them to sit. Okay, so the stands were filled with about 20,000 people. So the stands were filled with how many people? 20,000 people, even though the final race had ended an hour earlier. So already the final race was ended an hour earlier, means before 1 hour only it has been completed. Okay, but we can see how many people? 20,000 people were sitting in the stands. Then the pole vault is truly the glamorous event. Okay, it is a glamorous event of any track and field competition. The sportsman combines the grace of gymnast with the strength of a bodybuilder. Pole vaulting also has the element of flying and the thought of flying as high as a two-storied building. So, to what height they have to fly, Nana? They have to fly to a two-storied building. Okay, first floor and second floor. Two-storied building height they have to fly. Is a mere fantasy. What is the meaning of mere fantasy? Only. What is the meaning of mere? Only. The meaning of mere is what? Only. It is only a fantasy. Okay. Passion. So, fantasy nothing but here you can understand as imagination. To anyone watching such an event, today it is not only Michael Stone's reality and dream, it is his quest. So, what is the meaning of quest here? So, the meaning of quest is a long search. A long search. Okay, it is his dream, Nana. It is his dream. Okay, now As long as Michael could remember, he had always dreamed of flying. What is the dream he had? Everyone will have their own ambition and goal in future what they want to become. Okay. So Michael Stone also had a recurring dream. Okay. Michael's mother read him numerous stories. She told him numerous stories about flying when he was growing up. So about flying. Okay, he has taken the career as what? Pole vaulting. In that, what he has to do? He has to fly. Okay, so now she used to tell number of stories. Numerous means many number of stories to him as he was growing up. Okay, her stories were always the ones that described the land from a bird's eye view. What is the meaning of a bird's eye view? View of all the aspects of something. In many number of stories she used to tell, and in that he can understand, okay, what the view of all aspects of something. Then her excitement and passion for details made Michael's dream full of color and beauty. Her excitement. So mother also feels that, okay, my son is having a recurring dream. What is that? Pole vault. So I must make my son's